Hi, I'm Charmaine Singleton and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful lightweight crochet stole with adorable heart edges, perfect for beginners and super stylish. These are a few things you will need. First, you make a slip knot and chain 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This pattern uses a multiple of 7, so according to your desire, increase by 7. Now chain 1, 2, 3 and make double crochet throughout the row. It's beginner friendly and creates this beautiful texture. Keep your tension loose for a soft and flowy look. I'm using a 4.5 mm hook, which is much larger, to make this loose and give it a delicate, classy look. You can go in for the pattern directly like I did in the live stream, but for this one I'm first making this foundation for the pattern, and you won't need to redo this part like I did in the YT live stream. To begin, we just have to complete this row of double crochet and the pattern will start from the next row. So now we completed the first row. So for the second row, chain 3 and the first 3 chains are counted as your first double crochet. So we will make now 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 double crochet plus the 3 chains is equal to 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 3 and make a slip stitch or make a single crochet in the 4th chain. Chain 4 once again, skip 3 and make 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last one 7. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 3, and in the 4th chain make a slip stitch. Chain 4, skip 3, make a double crochet, and one line is complete. This is not a one row pattern, so the pattern will change in the next row. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold it and chain 3. Now slip stitch in the chain that you were holding and make 2 more chains. Now yarn over and make double crochet over all the 7 double crochets or DC, and you get it something like this. But after I complete the next row, the heart shape will set right. So now you will complete the 7 double crochet, and in the next row you will see the complete pattern. In case you find this tutorial interesting, please consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now chain 1, 2, hold it, chain 3, slip stitch in the chain you're holding and chain 2 once again. Now make 7 double crochet over the 7 double crochet. Now the next row will be the final row. Turn your work. Now chain 3, which is your turning chain, plus 4. Now skip 1, 2, 3 and go to the 4th one. Make a single crochet or a slip stitch. Now chain 4, skip 3 and make a double crochet. Now see very carefully, you have to make double crochets using the chain that you made, and that is the top portion of your heart. This is where the heart shape will form, and you should get 7 double crochets across the heart Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 3 and make a slip stitch or single crochet, and once again chain 4, skip 3 and make 7 double crochet. Every chain and every stitch is counted, so please see carefully how I make the 7 double crochet using the chains above the heart. Carefully see every chain and make 7 double crochet including the peak of the heart. It takes 4 rows to get 1 row of beautiful hearts. So in this way you keep repeating how long you want your scarf or your pattern. Accordingly you keep crocheting. I made 50 rows of hearts, and for the edges I have made some adorable heart tassels, so don't miss it. For this you first have to chain 7. Now hold the 7th chain and chain plus 3. After you chain 3, yarn over and insert your crochet hook in the chain that you are holding and make 2 double crochet. Then you make 3 triple crochets. 1. You can even try using a smaller size hook. 2, 3, now chain 2, insert your hook in the second chain from the hook and make a slip stitch. Now make 3 triple crochets once again. Now chain 3 and slip stitch in the magic ring. And see how cute this little heart looks. So you see, this is so simple. I hope you have enjoyed this short tutorial with me. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for being a part of this tutorial. Have a great day ahead and thanks for watching.